to finish. Home with the detail specialist.
Finish. Today we're going to show you how well ceramic works at repelling water, how well it does on cleaning itself without you cleaning the car, and also there's no waxes or sealants on the market that can compete with ceramic. So let's go ahead and show you how well it works. We got two towels right now, they're both dry. We're going to take our Gatorade mix and show you how much ceramic can repel compared to waxes and paint sealants. Alright, we got two towels, they're both dry completely. We're going to show you how well ceramic works and how waxes and paint sealants don't even add up to ceramic. Just put the water hose right there. Obviously, it's completely dry. So both towels are the exact same. This is not where I put it. You can already see how much water is over here.